Hello everyone and welcome to a windy Lostock Hall railway station, and to kick things off we see the departure of 156402 working the 1154 Northern service from Poole through to Preston.
Could be useful.
See you later.
Next arriving into the station will be 150-133 working the 1231 Northern service from Preston through to Colne. Whilst passing fast through the station next to Northern is 195124, working 1 Bravo 23 from York through to Blackpool North. Next passing fast through the station for Northern is 195101, working 1 Bravo 28 from Blackpool North through to York. And to take us to our next line and station, we see the arrival of 156413, working the 1254 Northern service from Colne through to Preston. Thank you so much for watching everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then folks.